Hey, it's your girl Yakub and I, your trusted Lagos-based realtor, committed to bringing you the best of real estate investments right here in Lagos. Right here, right now, I have this tastefully finished 3-bedroom terraces located in Lekki, Ajah. They are all fully finished, so they are turnkey homes where you can actually buy right now and get your keys immediately to enable you spend your Christmas. I want to take you right in to show you what these units look like on the inside, and I trust you would love the finishing. Let's go. Hey, I love this gorilla door. See, there's something about this house that I've seen, the quality of finishing. Everything about this house speaks quality, and this is a gorilla door. It's steel plated in the middle and it welcomes you into your living room. It has an open plan, so it's coming with this console, this TV console right here, and of course it's an open plan. This just suits a small sized family. So this is a multi-purpose space that you've got over here. Now let's see the rooms. There are 3 rooms. Okay, having come thus far on this video, it's time to let you know the price. This 3-bedroom luxury duplex is in the market for 60 million naira. Now, to buy this home, all you just need to do is to call my number. I'm available on WhatsApp, and it will be my singular honor to hand you the keys to this home. Once again, my name remains Yakub and I, your trusted Lagos-based realtor, committed to bringing you the best of real estate investment and deals right here in Lagos. I've helped hundreds of investors and home seekers like you buy their homes where they are currently living happily and investing wisely. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, because right here on this channel you will get the keys to your dream home, and of course help share with a family or friend that is in need of a property like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I definitely look forward to hearing from you. Bye.